Hello friends, day 4. I left St Agnes this morning and all the lovely friendly people there, including Paul and Annika, who bought me a drink last night and donated to Hope and Homes for Children. Thank you. Very friendly village, and I had my own personal beach hut. This morning I had some wonderful walks along tops of cliffs, not too much up and down, big wide grassy tracks, and then came down into Newquay, which seemed to take ages to get through. And now I'm the other side of Newquay, just beyond Watergate Bay. And I do love a room with a view. Look at this, I've got my own bench, and then my tent is over here looking out towards the sunset. How amazing is that?